What up guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about the Pell Airdrop. Now those of you that participated in the Pell Airdrop on the Satoshi application, if you guys can remember, we started mining this Pell on the Satoshi application about 4 to 5 months ago. Alright, so today we are going to be claiming our airdrop because it is now open, it is now live for everyone to claim. All right, so the claiming starts on March 13 and they only gave access to people that want to claim to OKX, and it was just from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. on the 13th of March 2025. All right, but after then they now give access to other wallets, so we can now use OKX and any other wallet to claim our token from the Pell Airdrop platform. And over here you can see they also have a vesting period that is scheduled right here, and we are going to be checking out all that in this video. All right, so in this video I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how you can claim your airdrop from the Satoshi application, or if you participated on the test net you will be able to claim your airdrop from these platforms with the steps I'll be showing you in this video. So you need to pay attention to every single thing, because there's a deadline for this claiming of your token. So you need to get this done right now and pay attention so that you do it without having any mistake or any error. So if you're interested in everything I just mentioned right here, right now, stick to this video till the end. Alright guys, now this is where we are going to be claiming our Pell airdrop, all right, from this platform. Now you have to make sure you are using the wallet that you used in participating on their testnet, and also linked to the Satoshi application when we did the quest. All right, in case you can't remember then the quest or whatever we did then, you should watch this video. This is where we did everything earlier on about 4 months ago, so you can watch this. Is going to help you remember every single thing. Okay, I'm going to leave the link to that video in the description video. It's going to pop up on the top right corner of this video also. All right, click it and watch to remind yourself of what we did. All right, in order for you to claim, you need to use the wallet that you linked up with your Satoshi application and also participated on the testnet, just like I said earlier on. So as for me right now, I'm using my MetaMask wallet. It has been the wallet I've been using for these airdrops. All right, so I'm using my MetaMask wallet and I'm using it in the browser section. I've opened this site in the browser section. Now to come to this site, there's a link in the description also. You can get it there, click on it, or if you don't see it there because of YouTube sometimes don't allow us to put a link, you can click on in the description. So you can just go into my Telegram channel and you get this link. You copy it, and once you copy it, you bring it to your wallet browser, you paste it in the top right here, and it's gonna open this page for you. All right, so the link is just app.pell.network, but for you to avoid errors you can just go straight into my Telegram channel to get the real link. Now good, so once you get here, all you need to do is for you to connect your wallets. I'm going to connect my wallet right here by clicking on the connect wallet button. Okay, now you can leave your wallet on BSC. You can see my wallet's on Binance blockchain right here. You can see, leave it that way. All right, so all you need to do, I'm going to select my wallet. I'm using MetaMask. I click on MetaMask right here. Okay, this is going to automatically initiate a sign up, a contract for me. I'm going to sign this and accept this. All right, connect. Okay, that was good. Now connected, I have to, you can see it's request for BNB smart chain, so I have to be on the BNB blockchain. All right, so I'm going to click on sign in right here. Click on sign in, verify your account, click on confirm this. All right, so getting here, you can see your available tokens to claim. All right, here I'm having total 0.0. Well, I don't know what they use in calculating all this anyway, but the token rewards, I can see 181 here, whereas in my Satoshi app I mine about 1,000, over 1,000 token. All right, but here I can see only 181 token as rewards. Anyway, this is I think I can claim this one now, so I'm claiming 54 right now, then later 72, and later 54. All right, so this is where you can actually see what you can claim. All right, so I'm just going to click on claim for now and see what happened next. All right, so I'm going to confirm this. It's actually requesting for a gas fee. Well, I have some BNB on my wallet as gas fee, so it actually requires some gas fee. But guys, it's not much. The gas fee is not up to 1 cent. Okay, it's very little, but guys, it's not a financial advice. If you know that the token you have on your balance is not worth paying for, then just skip, guys. But as for me, I'm just going to try this and see what I'm just going to claim it, because the gas fee is not much. It's not up to 1 cent, so it's something I can try. All right, that was successful. All right, so it says all done. Okay, so I don't think I want to check this. I'm gonna close this. You can check that if you want to check it on the Explorer. All right, so this is done. And after claiming your tokens this way, the next thing is you should add the contract address to your wallet so that you can see the token in your wallet. All right, so I've claimed the 54 token Pell token in my wallet right now. I still have 72 to claim later on. The dates that I can claim them are right under there, and same thing with you guys. You can check your date there. It's actually little, but guys, you know, maybe I'm just gonna keep this in my wallet and hold it. I don't know, maybe one of these days we appreciate, who knows. All right, so let's go to my wallet, and we are going to all right, okay, now we are going to add the contract address to the wallet so that we can check our token right here. So you click on import tokens, click on it. All right, then you select custom tokens right here, then you paste the contract address. Now if you do not have the contract address, head over to my Telegram channel, go there, you are going to see it there. If you are already there, you must have seen the contract address, so you should head over there and you are going to copy the contract address right from there, and you can bring it here, paste it on this box right here. Okay, I'm going to paste mine right now, then wait for this to load, and okay, here you are. You can see the necessary informations are already out. Then you click on next. All right, then I'm going to click on import. So we're going to be importing this to our wallets. I told you guys your wallet should be on BNB blockchain. All right, so you can see right here my wallet. I have okay, Pell just got here. Very good. Okay, unable to find conversion rate. All right, let's just give it time. It's going to load and definitely let us see the token. All right, and we're going to see our 54 token right here in our wallet. All right, so guys, that is just how you can use the contract address to add the Pell token to your wallet. All right, and once you get your token in your wallet, you can actually send it to the there is already listed on about 3 different exchanges. I think Gate.io, Bybit, and Mexi. So you can actually sell this token right now on the exchange. All right, but guys, it's currently trading at its rate of 0.014 cents. So guys, it's very little. I don't know if you want to do that, but that is it, guys. So if you want to claim the remaining of your token, this is the same procedure you're going to use, and here are the buttons you come here to claim. For the one we did on the Satoshi application, I don't know if that is connected to this. I do not know. I have no idea, but this is what they gave to us, and the team are not really saying anything right now. All right, but guys, if you feel the amounts given to you, allocated to you, is very little and doesn't warrant you claiming it, come on guys, then skip it. Don't waste your time, don't waste your money or your time trying to claim it. All right, if you don't believe in the project, skip it, guys. It's not a financial advice. All right, so guys, that's it. If you like what I showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one. Guys, make sure you stick in my Telegram channel, because that's where I drop updates more often, more regularly for you guys. All right, so I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.